Charlie, I'm so proud of you. You have been a great son and an excellent student this year. Thank you, Dad. I like maths and also languages. They are my favorites. Yeah, I know that. I remember you used to get the best grades in primary school. Now you're about to graduate from school. I'm so proud of you. Seriously. That's why your mother and I have decided to give you a present. What do you think? Really? That's great. And what is that present? Yes, son. We know you like to investigate on internet. Am I right? Yeah, I love investigating on internet. But why do you say that? I don't get it. Well, we're giving you a new computer. It is a laptop, a new generation one. Really? Oh my god, I'm impressed. Thank you so much. I'm happy you like it. We invested all our savings on that computer, but it is worth it. I am sure you will use it to study even harder. Now that you will start college, you will need it. That's wonderful. I will use that laptop to create new content. Thank you, Dad. Create new content? That's how you call it nowadays? That's how we call it? Don't tell me you know something about creating content. Yeah, I suppose. I mean, you mean create new educational content, right? For college. What? No, I'm talking about content for social media, Dad. I want to be a famous influencer. Mm, what? I don't understand. What are you talking about? Don't you understand? I want to become a famous influencer and content creator, Dad. Content creator and influencer? What do those people do exactly? Well, they create videos and post pictures on social media to be famous. People love influencers, but I'm not going to be a mere influencer that I will be the best. Alright, but what kind of videos are you gonna make? I want to know. Well, as you said before, I love investigating on the internet. So I will make videos about strange things. Strange things? I don't understand. What kind of strange things? Well, ghosts, witches, experiments, things that the government hides from us. There are a lot of things people still don't know, and I want to be the one who teaches them. Okay, and the college? Aren't you going to study in the university? Well, yeah, maybe. But the most important will be my career as an influencer. I will probably go to college, or maybe not. I don't know that. I am excited. This is what I always wanted. I didn't want to tell you because I thought you will get mad at me. But now I see you don't have any problem with it. I feel you support me, and I thank you for that. I know you don't understand these things very well, but I can explain it to you. Sure, but you were really good at maths. You are really good at maths. I thought you were gonna study a career, a professional career, and now you want to become a famous influencer? Why did it happen? How did it happen? It just happened. This is what I want. And you're right. I love maths, but I love creating videos even more. I feel this is my passion. I'm so excited. Son, I know you are excited about it, but shouldn't you have to think this better? I mean, maybe you can create your videos, but they can just be a hobby for you, son. I think you should focus on your studies. I think you should prioritize your studies and then maybe create some videos on your free time. I think that's the best decision you can take. And why do you think that? Tell me something. Have you ever had a dream? A dream? Well, yeah, my dream was to have a perfect family, and I do have it now. No, Dad, I'm talking about a personal dream, something you wished. Well, yeah, when I was your age, I loved to paint. I was really good at painting. I painted in my free time and I loved it that much that I wanted to become a famous painter. Really? That's awesome. And what happened? Why didn't you do it? I couldn't. I mean, most of these painters don't earn much money. My father explained to me that. So, after talking to him, I took the decision of not becoming a painter. That's why I studied engineering and could get a good job to make good money. I see. Now, tell me something. Do you regret having made that decision? No, I mean, I like my job, but I always think about what would have happened if I had studied art. Exactly. I don't want that for me. I want to do what I really love now. I know I could fail if I make this decision, but I don't want to have to wonder what good had happened. I want to fight for my dreams, so please, I need you to support me. Can you do that? I think I can do it. Even so, I'm afraid that you will fail and ruin your life. That's not gonna happen, Dad. I won't ruin my life because I will do what I love the most. Now, so you can feel better, I will study a career and become an influencer at the same time. That way, if I fail at this, I will have my career to get a good job, just like you. Do you agree? Yeah, that makes me feel better. I love you, son. I just want the best for you, that's all. I know that, and I thank you for that. I love you so much. You are the best. I would like to know the subscriber's opinion. Is he really taking the right decision? I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us or click on the Super Thanks button. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.